Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your phone number in order to track your location or your friends or family members' location. So, this is going to be very easy. What you're going to do is you're going to utilize what we call Life 360. So, it's an application, free to use application, of course, that you can use in order to get notification, location histories, place alerts, create bubbles, and send SOS help alerts and landing notifications. So this is how it works. So basically for Life 360, for the free version, you get three things. Number one, you get alerts. So you can create certain bubbles. For example, you can create a bubble for your home, and whenever people enter or people within your circle enters your home or enters the vicinity of your home, it will notify you that they are near your home or your place. Or if, for example, you create a bubble for their workspace or their workplace, Life 360 will send an alert that they are or they have arrived at the location. So similar to this right here, we scroll up. This one right here, as you can see, it notified the user that this person has arrived at this certain area or location. Now, another thing is, it also sends you your driving statistics. So, for example, if you're going too fast or if you use your phone while driving, it will notify you and how you drive. Basically, how you drove the entire week or the entire day. It will notify you that with that as well. On the other hand, it will also notify you the battery percentage of another user. So let's say your girlfriend, your mom, your dad, let's say they're at a 10% battery life, then this will notify them as well. So it's not just locations, it's also a bunch of other social things that Life 360 helps you keep track of. And what they usually use for Life 360 is your phone number and at the same time your internet. So those are the two requirements here. It requires you to enter your phone number and your internet in order for you to create an account for them. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're interested, you can download Life 360 on your mobile application, whether you're using iOS or Android. And we'll see you on the next video.